Hey guys, welcome to Text. It's about the right height. I'm scared that I'm gonna get cut off. Let's make this a little bit taller. Hey guys, welcome to Textimony. We're here. Oh, thought that one was outside. We're here making a video on how to install Kodi Media Player on a Raspberry Pi. Just one thing I wanted to talk about, to show people that I love the world. I'm actually using these new things. They're basically like little pellets that you put inside of water, and then it makes a reusable cup into soap. I don't know. I think it's cool. Anyway, we're going to get started. So, first of all, let's plug in our Raspberry Pi. This is my testing Raspberry. It is exactly identical to the one that I did in my first video. Up here, maybe like that. Yeah, that is on how to set up the coolest Raspberry Pi setup ever. It's a really cool video. You should totally watch. And if it does, it might be a little too long, but I don't know. Just please watch it, or else you won't be nowhere in this video. Unless you're smart like me. Okay, so let's just zoom in the camera so we can get started. This is one of my fastest tutorials ever. Oh no. Okay, is this good? I think we're good. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna click on this little terminal icon. And then, so type in sudoapt-get install Kodi. It might look a little intimidating, but trust me, it really isn't that bad. It's going to install. If it requires it, press the Y button and then enter. And you're already out of the terminal. No more typing stuff in. Press on here, press on sound and video, and press on Kodi. Takes a little sec, but then there you go. So this is Kodi. You can put on like a wireless controller or whatever you want. And what I like doing is I like showing people it working. So I'm going to plug a USB with a single open source movie on it into the computer, and Kodi should say mounting or something crazy like that. If this pop-up opens, just press the X button. You don't need it. Now, all you have to do is press on movies and then the name of your USB. And then all your videos are there. So this is Bobby's Burger Palace. No, it's an open source movie from 2014, and you can just see how this computer's handling it. I use this to run my Plex Media Server movies. It's interesting, right? This is going to be probably the easiest Kodi install you will ever do on this channel. And that was pretty easy, right? You type in a single command, you have Kodi. Boom. I thought that was going to be like 10 minutes. That was 6 minutes. That's crazy. And more talking about, not a sponsor, but yeah. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. If you disliked this video, come on, why are you watching it? But if you liked it, hit like, get subscribed, and maybe consider buying all the stuff we featured at the link in the video description. And the link to that video to show you how to set it up will also be in the link in the video description. We will see you guys in the next video.